Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to set up Google Tesseract OCR with Python to capture text from images on your clipboard and export the results to a text file. First, we will install Tesseract OCR. For Windows users, head over to the Tesseract GitHub page and download the installer. I will include the link in the description. Run the installer and follow all the steps. It should be relatively simple to install. Next, we will set up our Python environment. Make sure you have Python installed. To check if you have Python installed, it's very simple. In command prompt, type Python and click on enter, and this will give you the version of Python if it is installed. If it's not installed, it will give you an error. In that case, I will add a link from where you can install it, which is very simple. Then open your terminal or command prompt and install the required libraries using pip. We will install PyTesseract, Pillow, and Clipboard. Now let's create our Python script. Open your favorite text editor. We will be using VS Code and create a new Python file. Alright, so let's import our libraries. PyTesseract for OCR, Pillow for image recognition, and Clipboard for copying our results to clipboard. Right, so let's define the path where the Tesseract is installed. Next, we define a simple function using Pillow library's image grab that grabs the image from clipboard and returns the image. If there's nothing found in the clipboard, it will return an error that says no image found in clipboard. Next, we define another function that will use PyTesseract library to convert the image to string. Next, we write another function that gets all these pieces of the course together and prints the OCR result on the console. The name equals main is a safeguard, and it makes sure that the code only executes when the file is intentionally run directly as a script or application. Alright, so time to test our code. I have took a screenshot of some text, as you can see here. We get an error. It seems like we're missing an import. So let's add it into our import section. Alright, so I've done a simple search on Google for test Excel data, and a lot of different results show up. I'm going to test this on this table right here, carefully making sure that I take a good screenshot. Once done, go back to VS Code and let's run our code. And voila, we can see that our result has been printed to our console, and the result seems pretty good. Keep in mind that this method works really good with data that is not scanned. Alright, so let's take it a step further and revise the code to add the printed data to a text file. So we will create a new file that is ocr_result.txt in write mode, and we will write this data to the text file. Once that is done, we will also add a print statement that will say OCR result has been returned to ocr_result.txt. We can also make the file dynamic by using datetime module that will always pick the current date and time and create a new file each time. That really depends on your own preference. Alright, so time to test our revised code. Let's go back to the same table and take the screenshot again and rerun our code. And it seems like our code ran successfully. As you can see, the result has been printed to the console, and we also get a line that says OCR result has been returned to ocr_result.txt file. Let's navigate and trace the actual txt file. That should be in the same directory as the code because we did not give any exact location to the code. Open it up, and voila, we have the correct data printed to the txt file. Alright, so let's head back to our Google search and let's test it on another Excel table. Let's take a good screenshot, run our code again, and boom, our data gets printed to the console. And we can also see that the same text file has been overwritten and our new data is inside of it, and it looks pretty good. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you have any more suggestions or ideas you want me to work on, please let me know in the comment section. Till next time, happy coding.